What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. Today, our topic is all about block blast strategy. First of all, always think ahead. Keep the board as balanced as possible. Avoid too many blocks on one side. Second, maximize your combos. Making a combo and block blast will help you get the higher score. Make sure that maximizing your combos will not create a gap, which is where we are going to the next topic. The third is to avoid gaps. Gaps can be very tricky, but it will be no problem when it comes to smaller blocks. In summary, make sure you are getting better at this game. At first, it's too hard to get a higher score, but that's fine because you are new to this game. Strategy can be helpful, but once you get better, this strategy and getting good at this game will gain you the high score you expect or even more than you expected. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.